Today we'll be explaining how to remove the back of a Samsung remote control. First, the remote control has a thick end and a skinnier end. I prefer to take the back off to the thick end. To do so, flip the remote control over, put your thumbs on the arrow, pinch and push forward. You'll hear a little click, and in the top you'll see a gap of maybe 1/4 of an inch. From there, it just comes right apart. You can install your batteries, do whatever you need to do. To replace the back of the remote control, you go just the opposite. And slide down.